Hey guys, Sean Ilada. If you don't know me, I am a singer, songwriter, producer, artist sa Route 21. And we're here at Cafe Lupe Antipolo to do a live Q&A with Route 21. So, let's do it. Let's go. So let's start the questions na. Sabi ni Pauline Angelica. So kailan release ng new song? Pabulong naman. The song will be out on October 6. Ang title niya is Ulit-Ulit. Yan. Abangan. Next question. Sabi ni Maine de Guzman. Sino nag-inspire sa'yo sa paggawa ng kanta or pagtugtog? Madami akong inspiration, but mostly sarili ko lang. Something I see sa labas. Something I feel. Something I make up with my mind, like may marinig man akong or may ma-blurt man akong music stuff sa utak ko, then I just start doing it. Sa pagtugtog naman, madami. I mostly see bands dati sa YouTube and watch them make the crowd hype. Hina-hype yung crowd, masaya. I wanna do that stuff then. But also, I want people to know my song, sing my song, and have a legacy sa music, sa OPM. Ganun. Question 2 ni Maine de Guzman, how do you see yourself in the next 5 years? Hopefully, 5 years from now, graduate na ako sa school and doing what I love, which is music. Gumagawa ako ng songs, gumagawa ako ng music for different genres, different types of people. Yan. Pero sana, successful din yung music career ko. Question 3, kung ang English ng aso ay dog, mahal pa kanya niya ako? Di ko alam kung mahal ka pa niya. Sana oo. Sabi ni Jorel Marie Rigor, how do you manage with situations and cope up with stress while being a student and as an artist / performer? It goes hand in hand. Kasi mahirap nga naman maging artist / student. You can handle, yun mo yun, mahirap eh. It's too much to handle, pero as long as you want to do what you're doing, okay yun. Feel ko, kaya mo yung stress. Kasi kasama ang stress sa life eh. Di mo naman may iwasan. You can manage it. The way I manage stress is hanging out with friends, going out with family, and talking with someone, and writing sa journals. So hindi nag-bottle up sa utak mo yung mga naiisip mo. Next question, nakakapagod ba maging pogi? Sabi ni Nestor M. Domingo Jr., of course, nakakapagod maging pogi. Sabi ni Maui ulit, sino nagtulak sa'yo kumanta? Wala. Start lang akong kumanta dati. I didn't even like my singing voice then. I still don't. Pero some people like my singing voice. Hindi ko siya gusto, pero na-appreciate ko yung singing voice ko. Even me, I personally don't like my singing voice. Kasi, parang weird para sa akin. Pero some people like it. I only sing simple lang. Simple lang naman kumanta. At mas madami pang mas magagaling sa akin na artist kumanta. Any spoilers sa susunod mong kanta? Adrian, spoiler daw. Kasi naman, op, okay na. Sabi ni Blessy Acebron, what motivates you sa pagiging igop? Ay, musician pala. Nagmo-motivate sa akin as a musician. Yun nga, yung goal ko, which is making it as an artist here sa music industry, sa OPM. For people to know my songs and sing them, to have a legacy as me, Sean Ilada. Sa pagiging igop naman, wala. Wala talaga. How do you dwell when the situations are effed up? Sometimes kasi pag wala na sa kamay mo yung sitwasyon, there's only so much you can do. Pag kaya mo i-handle, do what you can. Just do your best. Huwag ka papapekto. Pag di na kaya, hayaan na. Sakit. Sabi ni Adrian Norman, next song, when? October 6. Ulit-ulit. October 6, ulit-ulit. October 6, ulit-ulit. Next question, sabi ni Israel Bobadilla. Katapusan na ng mundo, anong food ang mabibili mo ngayon? At kung nabili mo, kakainin mo ba o ibibigay mo sa karapat-dapat sa puso mo? Katapusan na ng mundo, I would eat steak. Hindi ko nabibigay kung kanino pa karapat-dapat kasi katapusan na ng mundo yon. Hindi sa pagiging selfish kasi ako na yun eh, ba't bibigay ko pa sa iba yon? Di ba? Tanong ng The Color of Tears, hulaan mo, sino nag-comment gamit account na to? It's either si Gerson or si Jello. Either way, shoutout sa inyo. Color of Tears, Tikot, love you. Sabi ni Ann Michaelis, bakit po ang cute ko? Tanong mo sa parents mo kung ba't ka cute kasi ginawa ka nila. Tanong ni Jose Lawrence ng comic strip, sino pinaka-pogi sa comic strip? Ako, syempre. Sinagot mo na rin yung tanong mo. Pero kung pipili man ako, siguro ikaw na nga. Sabi mo eh. Next question, sabi ni Maui, phobias. Wala. Next question, sabi ni Yuri Mangawang, bakit ang pogi ko? Skip na po natin yan, di po natin papansinin yung question na yan. Tanong ni L.A. Ching, sino si M? Malalaman mo kung sino si M soon. Pero para alam niyo lang, M is someone na nakakilala ko, nakausap ko, and frankly, nagustuhan ko. Ngayon, yun lang. Next question, paano ka nag-start? I started when I was in grade 6, grade school. I played the guitar. Di pa ako nagpe-perform. I just started playing the guitar. Then, grade 8, I started performing talaga like sa mga school. Grade 9, started the band, joined Battle of the Bands, and then, ayun, nagkaroon ako ng epiphany na, ay, shit, ito yung gusto kong gawin sa buhay ko. Ang sarap tumugtog, ang sarap kumanta, and, ayun, the rest is history. Ansari, how and when you started to feel na gusto mo kumanta sa harap ng madla? Ayun nga, grade 9, nanalo kami sa Battle of the Bands, and then, nagkaroon ng epiphany, na, ayun talagang gusto kong gawin. The how is, ang hirap i-explain ng how. Mararamdaman mo na lang, mafe-feel mo na lang kagad yun. Greatest love, sabi ni Maui, of course, my family. Love na love ko silang lahat. Tanong ni Pauline Angelica ulit, bakit daw po red flag ang mga drummer? Sabi ni Sherry, red flag ba mga drummer, Adrian? Hindi daw red flag ang mga drummer. Tanong ni Maui, ang daming tanong ni Maui, bakit di mo inaano yung ano mo? Eh ano ba? Ano ba yung iaanoin ko? Shoutout kay JM. Ayan. Next question. Tanong ni Sean Luis Torres, di ba cat person ka? Meow ka nga. Hindi po ako cat person. I just appreciate pets. Meow. And last question. Sabi ni Maui ulit, ambivert? Hindi talaga. Ano bang kabaliktaran ng ambivert? Ambipure. Gverts. Gverts. So that was Rude 21's Q&A with Sean Ilada. Follow Rude 21 on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Yan. For more videos like this, syempre, dapat nakasubscribe kayo. And of course, we're releasing brand new Rude shirts. Hindi kita yung rude, tol. It's good to be rude. Yan. It's good to be rude. And follow me on my socials, Sean Ilada Official on IG, Facebook, Sean Ilada. Sa lahat ng music platforms, Sean Ilada. Ayun. And stream my songs on Spotify. And my latest single, Ulit Ulit, will be out October 6. Baka niyan. This is Sean Ilada, Rude 21's Q&A. Wait lang, ang hirap mag-exit. Rude 21's Q&A, out!